Ever wondered how AI can help you debug your code? The world of programming is continuously evolving, and AI is making a significant impact. One such AI that's changing the game is ChatGPT. It's like having a second pair of eyes, but these eyes are powered by machine learning. ChatGPT can scan your code, identify where things have gone astray, and even suggest potential fixes. This is not just about fixing a typo or a missing semicolon. It's about understanding the logic of your code and helping you improve it. We're talking about substantial time and effort saved, time that you can use to innovate and perfect your programming skills. The potential for AI in debugging is immense, and we are only scratching the surface. Imagine having a smart assistant that can point out your coding mistakes and propose solutions right away. So, how do you bring this AI assistant into your coding process? Well, it's not as daunting as it might seem. To get started, you'll need 3 key things: an OpenAI account, the ChatGPT API key, and a coding environment. First things first, head over to OpenAI's website and create an account. This is your gateway to the world of AI-powered tools. Once you're signed up, you can obtain your ChatGPT API key. This key is what connects you to the AI and allows it to assist you with your coding tasks. Now, it's time to set up your coding environment. You can use any coding environment you're comfortable with. Once you've selected your environment, you'll need to integrate the ChatGPT API key into it. This process might vary depending on the environment you're using, but generally, it involves adding the key to your environment's settings or configuration files. And there you have it. Your AI assistant, ChatGPT, is now ready to help you with your code. Now that ChatGPT is set up, how does it help in debugging your code? Imagine having an extra pair of eyes, relentlessly scanning through your code, identifying bugs, and suggesting fixes. That's exactly what debugging with ChatGPT feels like. It's like having your very own personal code mentor, available round the clock. To get started, all you need to do is input your problematic code into ChatGPT. This could be a simple line of code, a complex function, or even an entire script. The more context you provide, the better ChatGPT understands your code, and the more accurate its debugging suggestions will be. Once you've input your code, ChatGPT gets to work. It analyzes your code line by line, hunting for any errors that might be lurking. And it's not just syntax errors that it's looking out for. ChatGPT is capable of identifying logical errors too, those sneaky little mistakes that often slip through the cracks. But ChatGPT doesn't stop at just identifying errors. Oh no, it goes a step further. It suggests fixes, and not just any fixes. ChatGPT provides detailed explanations for each suggestion, helping you understand the nature of the error and the logic behind the fix. It's like receiving a mini coding lesson each time you debug. Does your code have a variable that's not been defined? Or perhaps a loop that never ends? No worries. ChatGPT has got your back. It'll point out these errors and suggest how to correct them, whether it's defining that missing variable or breaking that infinite loop. And the best part? ChatGPT learns from each debugging session. It's like a living, breathing entity that evolves with each interaction, becoming smarter and more efficient. The more you debug with ChatGPT, the better it gets at understanding your coding style and preferences. So whether you're a seasoned developer looking to speed up your debugging process, or a coding newbie seeking guidance and support, debugging with ChatGPT is a game changer. You see, debugging with ChatGPT is like having an experienced coder looking over your shoulder, guiding you. Not only can ChatGPT debug your code, but it can also help you complete it. Imagine having a sidekick that not only spots the villains in your narrative, but also helps you write the story, filling in the gaps and predicting the next plot twist. That's exactly what ChatGPT does for your coding journey. ChatGPT, with its predictive capabilities, can suggest the next line of your code or fill in missing pieces. It's like having a virtual co-programmer that's always ready to help. This is made possible by the machine learning models that power ChatGPT. These models have been trained on countless lines of code, so they've seen a wide variety of coding scenarios and approaches. They use this knowledge to generate suggestions that align with the context of your code. Let's say you're writing a function and you've got the skeleton, but you're not quite sure how to proceed. Enter ChatGPT. You can simply ask it for suggestions, and it will generate potential next lines of code based on its understanding of your function. This isn't just about saving time, though that's a significant benefit. It's also about learning and improving as a programmer. Seeing how ChatGPT completes code can expose you to new methods, functions, and approaches that you might not have considered. But what about those moments when you know what you want to do, but you're just not sure about the syntax? ChatGPT has you covered there too. You can describe what you want to do in plain English, and ChatGPT will translate that into the appropriate code. It's like having a bilingual friend who speaks both your language and the language of code. In essence, ChatGPT is more than just a debugging tool. It's a coding companion. It's an AI-powered assistant that can help you write code more quickly and efficiently, while also serving as a learning resource. Whether you're an experienced programmer looking to speed up your workflow or a beginner seeking guidance and support, ChatGPT can be a valuable ally. With ChatGPT, you're not alone in your coding journey. It's like having a co-pilot guiding you and even taking the controls when you need it. So, what have we learned today? We've journeyed through the innovative world of ChatGPT, exploring how it can be a game changer in coding. We've seen how you can use this AI model to debug your code, helping you spot errors and problems you might miss. Not only does it save time, but it also helps you learn and grow as a developer. We've also delved into how ChatGPT can assist with code completion, providing suggestions and recommendations to make your coding process smoother and faster. It's like having a seasoned developer sitting next to you, guiding you through your code. The benefits of using AI in coding are clear. It boosts productivity, efficiency, and can make the complex world of coding a little less daunting. The potential to transform the way we code is immense. With AI and ChatGPT by your side, you're ready to tackle any coding challenge that comes your way.